Hey, welcome back. If you're joining us again,
Yeah.
For
I hope y'all are joining.
yeah, Tina and Karen minus the man. So we had a little happening with the camper. We went camping,
Mm-hmm.
and
And that was fun.
it was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Guadalupe River's best RV park. That was the name of it.
That was the best.
Yeah, it was in Canyon.
It was good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Canyon
Mark
Lake.
was his name.
Mark. It was the Canyon Lake, Texas.
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
Yes,
It was cool.
It
Literally.
was,
Yeah.
The water was freezing.
Yeah. 52 degrees.
So we're repairing
Doesn't
the
matter.
problem. So what we have is what they call your starter.
Hey, where'd you get that part?
Hannah RV.
Thanks, Hannah. She was very helpful.
Yeah. I love Hannah RV. They have everything I need. Good prices.
Mhm.
Fast delivery. Okay, so it's under here where we're going. I already have it unscrewed. Hang on. Okay. That'd be good. Let's do that right here. All right, so this is the part. I'll show you. I don't want to stab you tonight, but
Why would you stab me with the knife?
what? I said I didn't want to.
Why would not even anywhere near you?
Well, I didn't want to get too close.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's what this is
well,
called.
thanks.
That's what this is called. A motor assembly,
Motor assembly.
aka starter. Apparently, that's what some guys called it.
Yeah.
So this is the part that broke off. And
Oh,
replace
so
this
much
part
help.
today. If you ever need to replace your motor assembly kit,
Yeah.
this is how we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got it. Thanks, Hannah.
Thank you, Hannah.
So we're gonna see how easy that is to do. All right. So let's get started.
Let me
I realized that I don't really have any of the hardware needed, so we went to Harbor Freight. Now we have this check, and we're headed back to my place to change it out. See you soon. All right, so we're back. Yeah, we're here,
Yes.
and we're trying to open the socket wrench. Everything requires something else. So anyway, just to break the little sockets free, my scissors aren't strong enough. I'm learning that I'm really have nothing, no tools or supplies needed to be the owner of a pop-up. So in all this, we're learning together, all of us, things that we need when we don't have the tools or the man around with the tools.
He has tools usually. Yeah.
She's still struggling.
All
We
right,
can't
let's-
get them open. So, all right, we're back. So, anyway, what happened was you have to get underneath here. Just basically change this out. It was quick and easy, and we didn't do it at all.
Yeah, we did.
Well, we did a lot of work. We tried real hard, but we didn't have the wrench the right size. We called and got the wrench, and then now it's changed, and it works like that.
Yeah.
Awesome. Works
So
great.
now we're
So
gonna
now we
look
can
it up.
lift it. Yeah,
And we're gonna get your smelly river clothes
out of there. Okay, y'all, we are back. We changed out the motor assembly kit. Yeah, it was fun. And now we are able to lift up the camper.